Assalamualaikum and a very good morning to you guys. Today our group want to present about the topic area. First, I want to introduce to you guys our group member. First member is me, Muhammad Khairi bin Muhammad Zuki, and the second member is Muhammad Izraf bin Muhammad Zainal, and the third member is Muhammad Jasmine bin Hashim. Okay, we came from class 1BME 5 and our lecturer is Madam Shafinas. For you guys information, this topic area have 9 shape. Okay. First, I want to explain what is area means. Area is the quantity that expresses the extent of a two-dimensional figure or shape or planar lamina in the plane. Surface area is its analog on the two-dimensional surface of a three-dimensional object. Okay, I want to explain about the first shape. The first shape is rectangle. Rectangle is any quadrilateral with four right angles. It can also be defined as an equiangular quadrilateral. The formula to find the area of rectangle is length times width. Okay, you guys can see this is length and this is the width. Okay, for the example, a rugby field at UniKL Miat have a width of 100 inch and the length of the field is 70 inch. What is the area of the field? First thing, we must know the formula. The formula of this rectangle is length times width. So, from the information put into the formula, so 100 inch times 75 inch. So, after we calculate, we can get the answer which is 7500 inch square. You must remember put the square because this is area. Okay, for the second shape, I want to explain about square. In geometry, a square is a regular quadrilateral which means that it has four equal sides and four equal angles, 90-degree angles or right angles. For the square formula, there is A equal to L squared, which is L equal to length. Okay, what we can see at this figure, square have four sides. This is length and length. Square have a same angle and side. Okay, let's see the example for square. A square kite have a side which 5 inch. Find the area of the square. Using the formula length times length, put the information into the formula. For the example, 5 inch times 5 inch. So, after we calculate, we can get the answer which is 25 inch square. Okay, for the third shape, I want to explain to you guys is triangle. A triangle is a polygon with 3 edges and 3 vertices. 3 vertices. It is one of the basic shapes in geometry. There are 3 types of triangle which are equilateral triangle, isosceles triangle, and scalene triangle. For the formula to find the area of triangle is half times base times height. This you can see equilateral triangle, and the second figure is a isosceles triangle, and the third is scalene triangle. For the equilateral triangle, the angle of the triangle is same. which is 90 degree angles, and the height, and this is base. For the isosceles triangle, the triangle has two same at the base. We can see in this figure, and this is the height. Okay, this is scalene triangle. This triangle, the angle is not same, and the length of the angle is also not same. Okay, let's see the example of this triangle. For the example, an equilateral triangle has a base with 4 inch and the height is 8 inch. So find the area of this triangle. Okay, we can see the figure. The base is 4 inch and the height is 8 inch. Using the formula half times base and height, half times 4 inch, which is the base, and time height, which is 8 inch. So we get 19 inch squared. Assalamualaikum, my name is Muhammad Jazmi bin Hashim. A group presented about area, and I will present about parallelogram. What is parallelogram? Parallelogram is a non-self-intersecting quadrilateral with two pairs of parallel sides. As you can see, the two sides have each side have the same length. The opposite of the side of a parallelogram are equal the length, and the opposite angles of a parallelogram are equal measure. The degree of the angle here is the same with the angle here, and the angle here is the same with the angle here, and it will make the shape of square. The formula for area of parallelogram is base multiplied by height. Why base multiplied by height? We can get the area of parallelogram. This is because when we move this triangle to this side, it will make the parallelogram to become a square shape, and that is why we use the base. When we move the triangle to the side, it will make a rectangle shape. That is why we use base multiplied by height. For example, a parallelogram have a base with 30 inch and the height is 51 inch. Find the area of parallelogram. The base is 30 inch and the height is 51 inch. So we just use the formula base multiplied by height, and we can get 1530 inch. Next, I will explain about trapezoid. Trapezoid is a convex quadrilateral with at least one pair of parallel sides, referred to as a trapezoid. The formula for trapezoid area is A plus B over 2 multiplied by H. What is A? What is B? A is the less length of the side, and B is the longer side of the trapezoid. H is the height of the trapezoid. When we add A to B and divide it over 2, we can get an average length for the trapezoid, and we multiply it by H, and we can get the area of trapezoid. Then look at an example. We must find the area for this trapezoid. First, we must examine the length and the height of the trapezoid. The longer length of
this trapezoid is 30 inch and the less long side is 20 inch. We must add these two lengths and divide it by 2. Then we multiply it by its height, that is 140 inch. As a result, we can get a 3500 inch square of area. Then I will explain about circle. What is circle? A circle is a simple shape of that is the set of all points in a plane that are at given distance from a given point in the center. The distance between any of the points and the center is called the radius. The formula for area of circle is pi r square. R is the radius for the circle. It is an easy one because we only just use the pi r square for calculating the area of the circle. Look at an example. A circle mirror have a radius with 2.5 inch. What is the area of the circle mirror? Just put the radius into the formula and we can get the area of the mirror, that is 19.63 inch square.
Alright, Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Izraf bin Muhammad Zainal and I'm continue my colleague's presentation about the area. So I will discuss to you about area of sector of circle. So what is area of sector of circle? It is a circular sector or circle sector symbol which can you see in that slide. Is the portion of a disc enclosed by two radii and an arc, where the smaller area is known as the minor sector and the larger being the major sector. In the diagram, theta is the central angle in radians, r, the radius of the circle, and L is the length of arc of the minor sector. You can see in this diagram, the minor sector is in the bold one. For the area of sector of circle, the formula is pi r square times theta divided by 360. Okay. The example of sector, which is the question is, a round pizza has been cut into 6 slices. Each pieces has been cut into a same size. Find the area of a slice of pizza. The radius of pizza is 5 inch. So based on this question is, when pizza is being cut into 6 slices and has been cut into same size, so full angle for round pizza is 360 degree, right? So 360 is divided by 6 and you will get 60 degree. So the theta for each slice is 60 degree. So insert the key point that you have now in the formula, which is pi r square times theta divided by 360 degree. So the answer, when you calculate, will find that the answer is 13.0x inch square. Next, the wing area. Wing area is the special one because for engineering mathematics, we are makes research about wing area very common. So, what is wing area? Wing area is the area of the shape of the wing at the aircraft. This wing area have two lengths, that is called span and chord. So, refer to the diagram that has been given. The wingspan is marked as S, is the length of the wing from wingtip to another wingtip. The chord is the average width of the wing from leading edge to the trailing edge. The leading edge is in the center one, while the trailing edge is at the most beside of the wing area. the formula of wing area is span times mean chord, which is mean chord is the average of the length of the chord. So let's find the answer for this question. The question is sound like the Airbus wing have a span with 25 inch and the mean chord of the Airbus is 31 inch. Find the area of the wing. So based on the formulas, wing area is equal to span times mean chord. So just insert the key point that you have know and you will find the answer when calculate is 775 inch square. So the last shape that we make research and is ellipse. So what is ellipse? Ellipse is the base on the oval shape, and ellipse is a curve on a plane surrounding two focal points, such that a straight line drawn from one of the focal points to any point on the curve and then back to the other focal point has the same length for every point on the curve. You can see in that diagram all these straight line in this ellipse has 4 points attached to the ellipse. So this is what we call one focal point and two focal point from A to B. The formula for the area of ellipse is pi times A times B. So let's find the answer for this question. A plate have a length from a focal point to the side which is 3 inch and 5 inch. Find the area of the plate. So just insert the key point that you have been given into the formula of ellipse, area of ellipse, which is pi times A times B. So when you calculate 7 times 55 inch, you can know the area of the ellipse is 393,905 inch square. So this is the last last but not least, the area is the common for mathematics, which is we want to know about something which have a shape that we want to find the area. So based from this presentation, you now know how to find the area of each shape that we have been discussed. To make it simple, just remember the formula and you can solve the question that have been given. So that's all from us. Thank you.